Alright, I'm underneath the van right now, and right here, if I can see my finger, right here is the Harmonic Balancer. Alright, try to get out of the sun here a little bit. And it's really gone wonky. To get to it, you need to take this belt and pulley, or whatever those are called, and this one, which I believe one of these is for the air conditioning, and I'm not sure, the other one's probably just for cooling system and stuff like that. However, to get to this, then you need to take all of this off, and here is the gap you have to get tools in. Alright, here is looks like it's the fan shroud. This is the fan shroud. If we take the fan out, you'll have room, but you wouldn't necessarily need to take the radiator out, which is back here a little bit further, like right on, well, it's hard to tell on camera, I'm sorry, Georgie, but that's how much space we got if you don't take the fan off, the shroud at least. I suppose it's all one unit. And then of course we just replace the belts as well.